everyone, and welcome back. This is just gonna try and keep this video short so I don't blab on too much, and this is just a quick update video just to let you know what's going on. As many of you watching may have seen my little teaser trailer I put out on Sunday. So obviously, as many of you watching would know, I decided to step away from YouTube and retire back in August. As I explained in that video at the time, the many reasons, being just burnt out and sort of lost the desire to want to do it anymore, and want to spend some more time with family. Work was busy, so I obviously stepped away.
Junior, retirement is catchip. Let's get the Enuses.
I was actually genuinely surprised and overwhelmed with the reaction of everyone, and how much people actually were genuinely upset that I was going. That was quite a gratifying experience. I did enjoy some really good time off, some detox, went overseas, traveled, spent a lot of time with the family, and just got away from it all for a while, and that was really good. I've been in a very happy place there, and made a lot of new work-life balance changes, and have been quite happy. However, after a couple of months of enjoying the time off, I then started feeling a little bit bored. It was a bit of a gap, and this time that I really didn't have anything to fill. And then I started filling it with just watching TV, watching social media, playing video games, and thinking this is not really a productive way to be spending my time. And while I've been away, I reassessed the entire retirement and sort of came to the conclusion that I really did miss the creative outlet, the video editing, and I really did miss the interaction that I was having with all of the subscribers, all of my friends, just everyone. While I had stopped, I was genuinely surprised with the amount of emails and messages I was still getting constantly from people asking me to come back, if I was going to come back, wanting to still do videos.
Come on, let's go, Raj.
No, we shouldn't go.
Let's go. Come on, Raj. Don't be a killjoy. Come on, we're back. We're bad. You're black. I'm mad. Come on, let's go.
Come on.
It sort of culminated lately where I'd really did just miss it, and I kind of came to the realization that it wasn't really retirement that I needed. It was more, I needed a holiday, I needed a break, I needed time away, and
I need a vacation.
I probably should have done that in the first place. But then I was worried, well, if I return, do people actually care? Do they want me to return? If I return, will they be like, well, you said you're retired, why are you coming back? But I guess in the tradition of people like Ric Flair and the Rolling Stones, I guess saying you're retired doesn't always mean you're retired. We can always do another retirement party, another farewell tour. So I obviously put that teaser trailer out the other day just to hint that I was going to come back, and I was again very very gratifying experience, and seeing the response to people that overwhelmingly saying how much they'd missed the channel and were happy it was coming back.
And I can't deny the fact that you like me.
So I was like, okay, this is seems like the people would be happy for it to be back, which was great. So what I've decided to do is, yes, I'm coming back. Yes, we're gonna make the videos again, and yes, we're gonna have fun. Obviously, to stop what happened last time, I'm gonna just do things a little different. The channel will obviously need to have a bit of will slowly build up again. It's not gonna instantly go back to what it was as the word gets out to everyone, and I obviously can't make the videos without the submissions, so it's going to come down to people sending all their submissions in to me again so that I have the content to make. So I have a video made from the submissions I have that's going to come out Sunday, and then I'll see how many submissions and how quickly they build up. So there may only be a couple of videos in the first month, but they should hopefully, if everyone just start sending their videos in and everyone gets the word out, we can start getting a good flow again, and we can start having some fun again. With that in mind, to avoid me getting burnout again the way that happened last time, we'll just see if that means that if I'm busy, we don't do two videos a week. Maybe we just do one a week, or alternate weeks that we have the extra videos. And if I do get busy with life and I don't have time to make as much content, then I'll just put out what I can put out. It's gonna make it so that it's still fun and it's still a hobby, and it doesn't become a burden and a chore. And I guess if in the future I am feeling a bit burnt out, rather than stopping completely again, I'll just let everyone know, and I might just take some time off. And that way the channel can continue to go on. It'll just be in its form it's in, and I'll be happy with that. So I'm really, really happy to be back, happy to be chatting and interacting with all of you again. And we'll kick this all off again on Sunday. So it's going to be same days, same times. Thank you, everyone.
We're the best, we're the beautiful, we're the only Ghostbusters.
Yes, we're back.
I ain't afraid of no ghosts.